What if I told you respect isn't just earned slowly over time, but can be commanded in seconds? This idea may seem radical, yet it's a powerful truth that many overlook. Most people navigate through life seeking validation and respect from others, often struggling to find it in a world that values external opinions. However, they frequently miss the fundamental principles that cultivate true power and respect. The Stoics offer timeless wisdom on how to command respect instantly. By embracing your inherent worth, you project confidence that others can feel. Setting clear boundaries sends a message that you value yourself, encouraging others to do the same. Furthermore, refining how you present yourself, both physically and verbally, can enhance your presence, making it clear that you are someone deserving of respect. Ultimately, the key to earning respect from others begins with self-respect. When you honor yourself, you inspire others to honor you as well. So, let's explore the Stoic principles that can transform how you are perceived, enabling you to command respect effortlessly and instantly in any situation. 1. Understand your worth. Commanding respect begins with understanding and embracing your own value, a principle deeply rooted in Stoic philosophy. The Stoics taught that true worth doesn't come from external validation or approval, but grows from an inner sense of purpose and self-respect. When you genuinely recognize your value, it radiates through subtle cues that others naturally pick up on. People can often sense confidence in mere seconds, and this silent communication starts with a calm demeanor, steady eye contact, and deliberate speech. Such composure and intentionality reflect a grounded self-assurance, signaling that you are aware of your worth without needing to announce it or seek praise. Each interaction then becomes a stage for practicing this inner confidence. By staying present and showing restraint, you embody an authentic, quiet strength that commands respect effortlessly. 2. Upgrade your thin slice. Psychologists refer to thin slicing as the process by which people form rapid impressions of others based on limited information. These snap judgments, while often subconscious, shape how others view our competence, confidence, and credibility within seconds. Stoicism encourages us to embrace this reality and take charge of our first impressions by practicing mindful self-presentation. Dressing simply but elegantly, for example, reflects a self-respect that others can sense immediately. Similarly, speaking with intention and choosing words carefully convey thoughtfulness and poise, establishing quiet authority without needing to dominate the conversation. A Stoic approach to self-presentation avoids over-explaining, which can sometimes dilute the impact of one's words. Instead, the Stoic allows their actions and presence to create a lasting, respectful impression. By projecting clear, composed energy, we naturally inspire respect, setting a powerful standard that speaks for itself without needing further justification. 3. Set boundaries. Respect frequently hinges on our ability to say no with confidence and clarity. Many people assume that denying requests or setting limits could alienate others, but in reality, it's quite the opposite. People tend to admire those who can hold their ground without fear. From a Stoic perspective, boundaries are not meant to be barriers that shut others out, but rather, carefully placed standards that define how you choose to be treated. When you politely decline something that doesn't align with your values, or that takes away from what's essential to you, it signals self-respect and a commitment to your principles. This quiet strength speaks volumes. It conveys that you value yourself and your time, and it encourages others to treat you with the same consideration. In time, this approach not only earns respect but inspires a deeper level of admiration from those who recognize your self-assuredness and consistency in upholding your values. 4. Don't allow yourself to be cut off. The Stoics emphasize the importance of holding firmly to your opinions and beliefs, especially in communication. Standing confidently in what you say signals self-respect and clarity of thought, and it often prevents others from questioning or undermining your words. When you allow others to interrupt or cut you off, it can give the impression that your voice or perspective lacks value. To counter this, the Stoic approach encourages speaking deliberately and with conviction, ensuring your points are fully expressed without being rushed or overshadowed. This doesn't mean being overly forceful, but rather maintaining a calm, controlled demeanor that conveys authority and self-assurance. When others see that you honor your own words and thoughts, it sends a strong message. Your contributions matter. This respect you display toward yourself encourages others to respect your voice and ideas in turn, creating a dynamic where your presence and input are valued in any conversation. 5. Compliment your competition. In Stoicism, showing respect towards others is an act of self-assurance and integrity. Rather than succumbing to envy or belittling others, a true Stoic elevates and celebrates the strengths they see in others. This approach is grounded in the belief that others' success or talent doesn't diminish one's own worth. Complimenting someone on their achievements, without the need for anything in return, demonstrates a level of self-confidence that speaks volumes. It reflects that you are secure in your own value and can genuinely admire others without feeling threatened. This humble confidence, an openness to acknowledge and respect the skills and qualities of others, draws respect not only from friends and colleagues, but also from competitors. It's a rare but powerful trait. People notice and admire those who aren't afraid to uplift others, and in turn, this quality elevates one's own character in their eyes. 6. Be independent. Stoics place immense value on self-sufficiency, seeing it as a cornerstone of inner strength and resilience. They believe that true respect comes from within, not from the opinions or validation of others. When you cultivate a sense of self-worth that isn't dependent on external sources, you embody a quiet yet powerful independence that others instinctively respect. This means making choices with confidence, taking ownership of your actions, and standing by your decisions without constant reassurance from others. Stoics teach us that to be truly respected, we must rely on our internal compass rather than seeking validation. By demonstrating independence, whether in small decisions or in how you carry yourself, you signal to others that you are capable, grounded, and self-assured. This unwavering self-reliance draws admiration and inspires trust, setting you apart as someone worthy of respect in any setting. 7. Physically take up more space. Physical presence is a powerful, often underestimated tool in commanding respect and projecting confidence. Imagine entering a room with a posture that's upright, shoulders open, and body language that communicates self-assurance. This presence isn't about imposing on others, but about taking up your rightful space, signaling to those around you that you are confident and comfortable in your skin. The Stoics taught that shrinking from life's challenges is to invite defeat, and this idea translates into our physical posture too. When you hold yourself tall, you convey resilience and poise, whether you're speaking, listening, or simply observing. Even if people can't immediately identify why they feel drawn to you, they instinctively respect the calm strength you embody. This subtle yet powerful form of nonverbal communication aligns with the Stoic philosophy of quietly standing firm, embodying self-respect, and cultivating an aura of inner strength. 8. Be unapologetically yourself. Stoicism teaches that true strength comes from living in alignment with our own values rather than constantly seeking others' approval. When we live according to our values, we build a foundation of self-respect, which in turn inspires others to respect us. Embracing who you are, your strengths, weaknesses, and authentic nature, shows a deep, unshakable confidence that doesn't rely on external validation. This authenticity is magnetic because it signals that you're not trying to mold yourself to fit someone else's expectations. Instead, you're living in accordance with your principles. Stoics don't suggest we ignore constructive feedback, though. Wisdom lies in distinguishing between advice that helps us grow and feedback that merely reflects others' biases or desires. When you cultivate this balance, remaining open to growth while standing firm in your core values, others recognize and respect that inner strength. Living authentically not only brings a personal sense of freedom, but also attracts genuine respect from those who see and value true character over pretense. Remember, respect starts from within. It's essential to understand that the foundation of respect lies in how you perceive yourself. The Stoic philosophy emphasizes self-awareness and self-acceptance, reminding us that true worth isn't dependent on external validation, but is cultivated through inner confidence and authenticity. This journey involves embracing your values and beliefs, which empower you to set firm boundaries that protect your energy and time. When you stand confidently in your truth, you naturally attract respect from others as they recognize your unwavering commitment to your principles. If these insights resonate with you, consider subscribing for more tips on embracing Stoicism in your daily life. Remember, respect is not just an outcome. It's a mindset that you can cultivate every day through intentional living. Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to know which Stoic principle you plan to apply first in your pursuit of respect.